In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most accurate trading indicators that I've come across for scalping and day trading. But before I get started, I have to put out this disclaimer. None of the information in this video is financial advice. I just show you what I do. Always do your own research and never listen to other people when it comes to making financial investments. So, now that that's out of the way, let's get right into it. I prefer to use this TradingView indicator on the 15-minute time frame, so make sure that you select the right time first, and then, go to the indicator box, and search for Trend Meter by Lee JMC and click it to add the indicator to your chart. If you are new to TradingView and want to know how to set up a free account, watch the TradingView video tutorial on my channel. I will leave the link in the description below, along with my special TradingView link which gives you a nice discount when you sign up for a paid subscription, so go check it out. The Trend Meter tool is a combination of many popular indicators. In the settings, you can see it has the MACD, the RSI, the crossover of the moving averages, and all the EMAs. Each of these different dots and lines serves as separate filters, and when all the indicators line up in one line, green or red, the accuracy is amazing. I like to use this tool in combination with the EMA Trend Cloud indicator. It's also free on TradingView, and you can find it in the search box by typing EMA Trend Cloud. It's the one by R. Westbrook Jr. This indicator has two lines, a fast and a slow moving average line. The fast moving average turns green when the market is bullish, and changes to red when the market becomes bearish. The main key to look out for is when the price action is above the fast moving average, we're looking to go long. When the price action is below the fast EMA, we're looking to go short. That's all you need to remember for now for this indicator. Now that we have the indicators set up, it's time to implement our simple trading strategy, which is great for beginners and advanced users alike. If you see a green dot or cross appear on top of the trend meter, like in this case, and all the dots and the two lines below are also in green, then the market is bullish and you can enter a long position. If some symbols are still red, then it's too early to take a position, and it's recommended to not take action. You need to have all the symbols and lines in the same color to confirm the reversal. If the dot or cross is red and the symbols and lines below are also in red, then the market is bearish and you can enter a short position. Here's an example of a bearish reversal. All the dots are red, and the price action is below the fast EMA, which is an indication to go short. You can try out different time frames, but I prefer using the 15-minute chart, because on the smaller time frames, there is more noise which may give you false signals. This is just a simple trading strategy, but I have been using it with good results. Remember to do your due diligence, as this is not financial advice. If you found some value in this video, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing to my channel to stay updated when I post a new video. I also have a Twitter account and a Telegram group that is free to join, where I post all my latest tips first. All the social links are below, so feel free to also join me there. Have a wonderful day, and stay safe.